Want to know how to get your wings extra crispy in the air fryer? Watch the Wing King. Let's go. All right, so here are the ingredients we're gonna use. So right here we have some flour. We have our chicken wings here. We have some olive oil, some black pepper. We have some garlic powder, smoked paprika. We have some kosher salt, onion powder, chili powder, corn starch, and baking powder. All right, so here are the ingredients. Not that many, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our chicken, and yes, I've cut and cleaned it already, and we're gonna take our olive oil, and we're just going to pour our olive oil into our bowl with our chicken, and we're gonna give that a mix. Making sure get some of this olive oil on all of the chicken. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do now, I'm just gonna sit this aside and we're going to continue. Now we're gonna bring in our flour bowl and we're gonna take the remaining of our ingredients and we're gonna start adding it to our flour. So let's start with our salt, smoked paprika, onion powder, black pepper, garlic powder, chili powder, cornstarch, and baking powder. Well, now we're just gonna give this a mix. So guys, you don't have to use these particular ingredients to season your flour. You can use whatever seasoning you want to season your flour. I typically use these ingredients in all of my flour mixture when I'm making fried chicken. So, but feel free to use whatever you want, okay? All right, let's continue. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take our wings. Now, if you wanna add some salt to your wings or some type of seasoned salt, you can. I did add some salt to mine, and we're gonna drop these wings into our flour. We're gonna shake off the excess, and I'm just gonna lay it right there, right here in this basket. And we're just gonna do the rest of them the same way. While you're doing this, you may wanna go ahead and preheat your air fryer. That way it's ready and good to go. Once you finish, I've already preheated mine, so it's ready to go. This right here just take a couple of minutes to get it all floured up. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this, and once I finish, we'll be right back and we'll put these babies into our air fryer so we can get them to start cooking. All right. Okay, now that we fully floured or battered our wings, now we're gonna move over to our air fryer and we're gonna go ahead and continue. All right, let's get over to the air fryer. All right, so now that we're at the air fryer, we're gonna start placing our wings inside our air fryer. Now, if you have some olive oil spray, you can definitely spray that around the bottom. If not, you can just take a little bit of olive oil and kind of rub the bottom if you like. I'm gonna go ahead and start placing our wings in here. And I like this air fryer because it's pretty big. I can get a lot of wings in here. Looks like I got 14 pieces. I'm thinking I can get all 14 in here. Kind of want to give them a little space. You don't want to really overcrowd your air fryer with them. So I have a little bit of space in there, man. They're not too congested in there. So what we're going to do now is we're going to place our basket here in our air fryer, and we're going to set this for 400 degrees and for 20 minutes. Depending on how hot your air fryer is, guys, you can do 20 to 22 minutes. I'm gonna put mine on 20. Around 10 minutes, we're gonna stop our air fryer and we're gonna flip the chicken pieces over to the other side, all right? So let's get it started. All right, guys, so it looks like we are 10 minutes in. So we're gonna pull our tray out. Oops. And we're gonna start flipping our wings over. All right, so we flipped them over. We're gonna stick these back into our air fryer and we're gonna let them cook for the remaining of the 10 minutes that's left, and we'll be back. All right, guys, so we are there. And take a look at those wings. Guys, take a look at that. Oh man, those are crispy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get these over on a plate, and we're gonna do our final presentation, then we're gonna get into quality control. Man, they look good. All right, let's go. And there you have it, guys. Air fryer breaded chicken wings. Guys, take a look at this. Man, this looks delicious. So I left the measurements and ingredients all in the video description below. So guys, go down there, check it out. Let's go ahead and get into quality control so we can test these babies out. Man, they smell good, they look good. I ain't gonna lie, I took a bit of the piece of that crust, and man, that crust tastes good. All right, let's go. All right, we are back for quality control. Y'all know my favorite part of the show. And I see one of these crispy bread chicken wings that I've been eyeing, guys. Take a look at that. You trying to tell me that ain't crispy, man? Wait till I bite in this thing. Let's go. The crunch is there. Oh man, the flour. Well, the flour is seasoned perfectly. Man, y'all better use the measurements I tell you. Guys, I'm going to wing heaven. Air fryer wing heaven. Anybody ever been there? So guys, definitely try this recipe. It's a very, very easy and simple. And for those who don't like to deep fry their wings and all that oil, because sometimes that is unhealthy, if you do, especially if you do it a lot, and you just want something that's similar where you don't have to, bake them, because baked wing and fried wings taste totally different. But these right here in the air fryer taste like you dropped them right into that hot grease. So until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli. Yes, this is All Wings Everything, and y'all already know, I ain't no chef. I just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace.